What do you want?
I've come to apologize. I listened back to the recording and I made some stupid generalizations and I just got caught up in the heat of the moment.
Generalizations? You people, you blacks?
I didn't mean that. The Blue Skies board has suspended me. Now, I don't know what's going to happen after the hearing. If I could just take the words back.
Don't take them back. Take responsibility.
I am not a racist. I'm a skeptic. But you know what? I've also worked with a hell of a lot of people who claim to be one thing and then turn into big fat chances.
Does that excuse your stereotyping? What do you want? What do you want from me?
Blue Skies is going to call you.
And you want me to save your neck?
I made a mistake. Please help me make this right. Now, I have a family, a wife and child to support. If you'll just think about it.
I'll think about it.
Thank you. That's all I ask. And again, I apologize for...
Goodbye, Mr. Smith.
Thanks. Sorry, I think I left my cell phone here.
Yes, you did.
Thank you.
I've made my decision. I'm not going to help you. You made your bed, you must lie in it.
Listen, what...
Now get out of my house!
I don't know what you think, but...
I think you're disgusting and a dishonest human being. I don't ever want to lay my eyes on you. And you deserve everything that is coming your way. Now get out!